Welcome back to this new video of TechExpress. Today, let's check out one of the greatest tools of the Google BEO, which is a cutting-edge element that can help you with TikTok elements. So basically, you might be wondering how we can actually get started with TikTok videos. If you wanted to generate AI content video generations, well, you are in the right place. So we wanted a course to generate content like this. So what exactly is the Google BEO? So the Google BEO is one of the greatest tools where you can generate cutting-edge AI video generation that turns your text prompts into cinematic quality videos. This makes it perfect for TikTok because it generates high-quality 8-second clips, include realistic audio, and is incredibly easy to use. So step 1, for example, is to setting up your blog into BEO 3. So to start, head into Google Flow, where BEO 3 is integrated. So what I wanted to do is to go directly here into the flow, hit into my overview, and what I wanted to do is to go for the option that says create with flow. This requires a Google AI subscription that you might want to check it out. We have the Google AI Pro and the Google AI Ultra. So there's an actual Pro version where you can try out totally for free for just 1 month. So here, what I'm going to be doing here is to write a detailed prompt. Think like a TikTok user. So be specific about your subject, action, style, especially the audio. So use the sound for effects and dialogue for speech. In my case, I just went directly here into TikTok and I wanted to find a specific great BEO element. Check out these people, for example. All of these generated with video AI content, right? So try to aim for something specific, simple, whatever. So let's say that I wanted to go directly here into my flow, create with flow. So what I want to write a descriptive and detailed prompt, right? So maybe, for example, I can look out for something that can be attracted to the people. So let's go for text to video. I go for this, the model, and really important to try to aim for a BEO weight quality. Right, so BEO2 quality outputs, let's say just one output. So you wanted to keep your video length short, under 15 seconds for ideal for TikTok, and click into generate. So the hook, you wanted to first start with 3 seconds crucial, or just look out for a problem that you are solving and frame your blog to answer a specific need or interested. For example, instead of my morning routine, you can try the exact morning routine that boosts my energy instantly, right? Something like that. Or you can try it out with an actual instant hook. For example, here, this instant hook, like they didn't let the kangaroo enter the actual output. So you can see that the girl is arguing with this specific person here, and here's the kangaroo right here. So this isn't a specific actual hook, right? Because we're seeing something that it doesn't exist, but it's created with generative AI integration. Something else that has a really amazing hook is, for example, the megalodon spotted in the sea, right? So for example, this is not real, but still this what looks really stunning and real amazing in the first second. And you didn't have to see any kind of text, you don't have to be seeing any kind of description, because you see like what's happening, like the megalodon spotted. So this is AI generated content that you can use it for your video generation. And meanwhile this has been created, what you can do is to try it out with the Google Flow TB. Now the Google Flow TB is, for example, elements that were generated from other users, and you can take inspiration for them to see what actually worked for them and what didn't. And when you go directly for watching the Flow TB, if there's something that you actually like, that it does look really amazing, for example, you can just enable the element that says show prompt to see what was the actual BEO used for, and what is the actual in this case the prompt that it was used for this specific element. And here it is, our video generated with artificial intelligence. So what is left for me to do is just to make sure that I have added something more interested in here, like what people is like watching this and they feel like there's something else. Even what I can do is to use this to add to this scene. So with the Google BEO 3, you can create stunning viral ready TikTok blogs faster than ever before. You can add more scenes here and you can download all your scenes directly in here. So basically, this is how we can actually use the Gradeflow to be used for this kind of generation tools. So let us know in the comments below what you think about this great tools generated with the Google Flow, so you can generate your own TikTok videos, AI content ideas. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. And well, hopefully with all this being said, I can all see you next time.